Sir, my scores are not improving. My mock scores are stuck. This, that. This is the most common question. This is like calling up a doctor and saying, "Sir, मैं बीमार हूँ, ठीक करो." यार, how can a doctor make you well unless you tell him what is the problem? The problem have to be told by the patient only. Doctor will not know all these things. So which body part is the problem? You have to tell first. Then the doctor will do the ilaj. Yeah. Same way, what I've done is I've created this sheet. You can take a screenshot here, or you can download the sheet from the description box. I've given the sheet here. In the description box, the link is there. So we are going to divide our complete CAT preparation into the body parts. So this is here, this kind of a body part, this kind of breakup I've earlier done as well. So verbal contain three parts: RC, which are easy to read; RC, which are complex to read; and non-RC question, para jumble, para completion. Quant based DI, logic based DI, games, fill the blanks, new type DILR. Then modern maths, arithmetic, geometry number, PNC, time and work PNC. So complete breakup I've given here in the bottom. I'll explain that later on. So step number one, I want you to break up your complete marks. How much you're scoring in the paper, you have to give the complete breakup. So that we can identify, or you can identify how much score you need. Yeah, so this is your step number one. You have to break down. You have to write the complete breakup of your paper. It will take you, trust me, half an hour, 20 minutes to half an hour. So if you can do this for the last 5 mocks, we will immediately understand where is the improvement required. Okay, so this should be your step number one. Okay, now the moment you complete this part, yeah, suppose I'm scoring 3 here, 2 here, 0 here, 2, 3, 1. So I have my breakup. Like I'm scoring, for example, 20 marks today. I'm doing 20 questions correct, and this is the areas where I'm scoring. Okay, so that will be my step number one. Okay, so then we move to step number two. What is my target score? So I've given the targets here. So before we go to the target, let's look at the breakup here. So the breakup wise, RC contain all these topics. So this is the syllabus of the verbal section. My score, how much you are scoring here. Breakup of the DL logic section, the details of this topic, and details of arithmetic, modern maths, geometry numbers, and PNC. The complete syllabus is given you so that you can mark how much you are scoring in each area. Detailed breakup. ठीक है, पैरा जंबल स्ट्रॉन्ग है, उसमें घुस के डू अटैक. नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स लुक एट द टारगेट्स. माय टारगेट इज सिंपल. माय टारगेट is 80 percentile. Let me remove this part. So my target is 90 percentile. Let's keep it that way. 90 percentile is my target. This is as per the new paper pattern. Now to get 90 percentile, I have to score 11, 8, 9. Let's assume 10, 10, 10. So my target score is 10 per section. Okay. Now verbal, for example, we have 11 here. 11 matlab, let's make it up. Divide by 3. So average 4, 3 is my target. Yeah, but I cannot RC, complex RC, which are history based RC, social based RC. I'm not very good with that. So maybe I'll reduce the target here. Yeah, easy RC, easy to read RC. I love to solve that. I can do 7. I can do, let's say, 2 here, and this will be another 2 to 3 marks. So 12 is my target. So I can break up and find out my target. चलेगा. So if you can fill this sheet, trust me यार, you don't need a doctor, you don't need anyone to ask कि मुझे कहाँ improvement चाहिए. सब कुछ तुम्हारे सामने आ जाएगा. Fine. For example, arithmetic I'm good at, but modern maths is where I'm struggling, and modern maths is second most important topic at par with arithmetic. In fact, I'm keeping it as more important than arithmetic. So the moment you do that breakup, we'll find out complete breakup, how much I'm scoring in which area. So fill the sheet. Yeah, this sheet will act as a mock analysis sheet also. This sheet will act as a score improvement sheet. This is what I'm calling it. So ये आपको करना है. If you can do that, trust me यार, you can easily find out how much score I need for improvement. Yeah. So you can set up your targets also. Using that sheet, we can also set up the performance, mock analysis. Everything can be done using this sheet. So you can download the sheet from the description box. भाई जो लोग मॉडर्न मैथ्स को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं, भाई ये संभाल लो. मॉडर्न मैथ्स इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. logs, coordinate geometry, trigonometry. Every year CAT exam there are at least 10 questions based on this. Yeah, out of 34. Now if out of 25 it might be 8. Check out. If you have any more question, you can ask me in the comment box, or to join our program you can call us on any of these numbers in case you want to join our program. All the best.